Good morning, boys and girls. Today's Wednesday, May 13th, and here's our math lesson. All right, let's start with our I can statement. All right, let's read it together. I can use the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a two-digit number up to 100. All right, boys and girls, what do we need to do to this I can statement? What do we need to do? We need to, say it with me, break it down. Say it, break it down. Say it with me, I can. Yes, you can. I can use the place value chart. Now, who remembers, what does the place value chart look like? There's two little spots or two sections on it. One section, right, there's a tens house and a ones house. And it looks like this. We used it last unit or a couple units ago, right? And it has a tens, the tens on one side, and the ones. Tens and ones, and that's what a place value chart looks like. To record is a fancy way to say write. So I'm going to draw a picture of a pencil writing, and name, and when we name we have to say it, right? So I'm going to draw a little picture of a guy talking. Tens, show me 10. Show me 10. Not 10 ones, but 10. Right. 10. If we're going to count by tens, this is how we're going to do it. We're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Tens, and I'll write the number 10 above it. And ones. Show me one. Right? One. Within a two-digit number. Who can give me an example of a two-digit number? Right? 25 is a two-digit number. What else is another two-digit number? Can you give me another? Right? 30 is a two-digit number. Can you give me another two-digit number? Right? 45 is a two-digit number. What's another one, boys and girls? Right, 62. What's another one? Oh, you could do 84. Wow, yeah. So, boys and girls, we're going to go all the way up to 100. So you could have numbers that are really big, but we're not going any bigger than 100. We're going only up to 100. Because what happens when you get to 100? It's no longer a two-digit number. It's a three-digit number, right? All right, let's read our I can statement back, okay? Say it with me. I can use the place value chart to write or record and name tens and ones within a two-digit number up to 100. So we're not going past 100. We're stopping right there. All right, how do you feel about this, boys and girls? We've done this before, but we didn't go up to 100. We only went up to 40. So, oh, baby, we're going up there. We're going up, up to 100, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're almost there, yeah. Okay, so how do we feel about this, boys and girls? Happy? I'm going to rock it. In the middle? Thumbs down. Tricky, Miss Hurley. Those big numbers scare me, and that is okay. All right, boys and girls, that is what we're going to be doing today. All righty, and guess what? Guess what I've got? A math story. What do we do with a math story? First, we need to read the story. Then we need to draw the picture. Then we need to write the number sentence and the statement. Say it with me. RDW. Read, draw, write. Okay. I'm going to erase my board. Okay. The first time I read the story, I want you to just listen. The second time I read the story, I want you to get that marker moving and grooving. So please get out your whiteboard, marker, and an eraser. Alrighty. And remember, yesterday and the day before we were using tape diagrams. And I'd like you to solve it using tape diagrams again. So you're going to need 2 pieces of tape. And remember, one piece of tape is always going to be bigger than the other piece of tape. Alrighty, here we go. All right, Tamra has 4 more goldfish than Peter. Peter has 10 goldfish. How many goldfish does Tamra have? All right, so you're going to have 2 pieces of tape. One piece of tape will be labeled P for Peter. One piece of tape will be labeled T for Tamra. Okay, here we go again. Reading it again. Get that marker moving and grooving. All right, Tamra has 4 more goldfish than Peter. Peter has 10 goldfish. How many goldfish does Tamra have? All right, so we have Peter, right? P for Peter. Can you see that? Yep. And T for Tamra. Okay, and it says Tamra has 4 more goldfish than Peter. How many does Peter have? Peter has 10 goldfish. So let's draw Peter. Piece of tape, and he has 10 goldfish. Tamra, boys and girls, has 4 more than Peter, so she must have 10 and 4 more. So her tape would be 10, and then she has 4 more. So how many goldfish does Tamra have? Let's see. We have part, and we're looking for our mystery hole. So what kind of math sentence or equation should we write? Right, addition. Love it. And what would our addition sentence be? Right, 10 plus 4 equals mystery number. So we'll have 10 plus 4. And that equals our mystery number. And what is 10 plus 4? Some of you might just know it, and if you don't, that's okay. Let's count on. Let's put 10 in our head, and we'll count up 4. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers do we pick up? 4. So 14. All right. So are we done? No, we still need to write we have our picture. We have our number sentence. We need to write our statement. And our statement would be what? Right, Tamra has 14 goldfish. I'm going to write it here. I'll write here. Yeah. Tamra has 14 goldfish. Tamra has 14 goldfish. Nice job, boys and girls. Did you get it? Love it. Great job. Okay, erase your board. Okay. Alrighty. Now, fabulous job. Moving back to our I can statement. It says we're going to be needing a place value chart. So on your whiteboard, I would like you to draw a place value chart. So you're going to have a rectangle, and we have, in that rectangle, we have our tens house, and we have our ones house. It should look something just like this. Is mine perfect? No. But it's my best effort, right? Okay. So if I said the number 47, and I'm going to write it above my place value chart. 47. Okay. Now, in the number 47, how many tens are there in 47? Let's make it together. Ready? Let's make 47, okay? Ready? We have to make our tens. This is how we make our tens. Go 10, 20, 30, 40. How many tens did I just make, boys and girls? 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. So how many 10s are in 47? Right, 4 10s, and you can fill this in your place value chart. And how many 1s are there in 47? 47. Right? 7. And we'll put that in our place value chart. 7. So there are 4 10s in 47 and 7 1s in 47. So you could also write this like 40 plus 7 equals what? 47, because when we made it, right, boys and girls, we went 10, 20, 30, 40. So we had 40, and then how many 1s? 7. 40 plus 7 equals 47. Great job. All right, let's erase our board. Keep your place value chart, so just erase the numbers that you put inside of it so you don't have to redraw it. Alrighty, beautiful job. All right, are you ready for another number? Yeah? All right. How about, ready? And I'm going to write it up top. 64. Big number here. Big number here. 64. All right. Let's make 64 using our quick 10s and 1s. Using our quick 10s and our 1s. All right, our number is 64. Ready? Let's make it. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now you have to do 61, 62, 63, 64. So how many 10s are there in 64? There's 6 10s. Great job. And how many 1s in 64? How many quick 10s did we make? Right, we made 6. How many 1s did we make? 61, 62, 63, 64. How many 1s do I have, boys and girls? 4 1s. So there are 4 1s in 64. Great job, boys and girls. You are rocking it. Okay. I'm going to do one more, and this one's a little even trickier. Ready? Okay. So, up top, I'm going to draw crayons in a crayon box and crayons that are outside of the crayon box. The crayon boxes are all worth 10. Okay, so watch how I do it. You do not have to draw this picture. Alrighty, so I know my pictures, and I'm not an artist, but these are my crayon boxes, and in each crayon box there's 10, and these are my crayons that are outside of my crayon box. So what number is this, boys and girls? What number is this? Right, we should skip count to figure it out. I love it. Let's skip count to figure it out. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. How many 10s are there, boys and girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 10s. And how many 1s? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s. And what number does that make, boys and girls? Let's count our picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So our number is 84. And how would I write this as an addition sentence? I want to add my 10s and I want to add my 1s. So I have, can I just write 8 plus 4, boys and girls? No. What does that 8 represent or mean, right? It's 8 10s. So it's 8 10s. And 8 10s is how many? 80, right? So I have 80. plus how many? How many ones? 4. And we just said 80 plus 4 is what number, boys and girls? 84. Lovely job. All right, boys and girls. You are rocking it. All right. Please get out your packet. It's actually only 2 pages today. All righty. And it says Wednesday, May 13th on the top. All right. Let's do the first couple together. Okay. Let me erase my board. Get out your paper. Get out a pencil. Okay. Let's look at the first one, okay? All right, let me read the directions. The ladybugs are excited that it is spring. Look at all the dots on the ladybug's back. Wow. How many dots are on all of the ladybugs in each box? Write the 10s and 1s. Complete the statement. Color the ladybugs red in the box with the greatest number of dots. Color the ladybugs orange in the box with the least amount. So, got out my crayons. Okay, so let's look at the first picture. Alrighty, how many dots on the ladybugs? I'm going to tell you these are both 10. So we have 10, 20, then count this, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how would we fill that in on our place value chart? Right, if we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How would we fill 24 in our place value chart? Right, so we'd put a 2 in the 10s and a 4 in the 1s. There are blank spots. How many spots? 24. Nice job. Let's move down to the next one. Okay, let's check it out. We have 10, 20, 30. And then we got to go over here. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. There are blank spots. How many? 36. And how would we fill that in our place value chart? How many 10s? How many 1s? Right? 3 10s. And you can see there's 3 ladybugs here with 10. And then how many 1s? 6. Let's go to the next one. It says, okay, here we go. We'll start counting. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 30. I'm having a hard time seeing this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Sorry, I could not do that from a distance. It was getting too squeaky, too tiny. So we have 48 spots. How would we fill that in our place value chart? Right. You would put the 4 in the 10's house and the 1, or the 4 in the 10's house and the 8 in the 1's house. All right. We'll go to the next one. Let's see it. Let's count the ladybugs. These ones have 10. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So how many spots? 33 spots. How would we fill that in our place value chart? Right, a 3 in the 10s and a 3 in the 1s. Moving on. All right, let's check out these ladybugs. 10, and then look at this guy. I gotta get up close to this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 10 and 7. So we have 10, 7. What number is that? Right, 17. I'm switching it up. 10 and 7, which would be 10, 7, 17. Alrighty, the last one on this page. And it says, how many spots are there? Alrighty, let's count them. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Is there any on this one? No. So it's 50. Oh, man. How am I going to write that in my place value chart? How many 10s? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 ladybugs with 10. And then how many 1s? There are 0. Okay, now, boys and girls, it says, complete the statements. Color the ladybugs red in the box with the greatest number. All right, looking at here, which has the greatest, the biggest number? Check it out. Is it 24, 36, 48, 33, 17, or 50? Which is the greatest, the biggest number? Right, 50 is the greatest number, so I'm going to color that red. And I'm just going to color it like this. There, I colored it in red, but I'm not done yet. And then it says color the ladybugs orange in the box with the least dots. So orange for the least. All right, let's figure out which number is the smallest. All right, check it out. Which one's the smallest? The little number, the smallest number. 24, 36, 48, 33, 17. Right, 17. All right, color that box in. Beautiful job, boys and girls. Rocking it. Alrighty. Turn to your next page. Alright, and it says caterpillar fun. I'll read the directions to you. The caterpillars are ready to turn into butterflies. Look at the parts of the caterpillars. How many parts does each box have? Write tens and ones. Complete the statement. Put an X on the box with the greatest number of body parts. Color the box of caterpillars with the least. All right. So if you're going to do this, look at this one. It's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So the first one is 33. And how would you put that in a place value chart? Right. All right, boys and girls. I can tell, I get the feeling you are rocking it. So I'm going to let you finish the rest. I think you're going to have an easy breezy time. But if not, remember, you can always rewatch the video. I'm only a phone call away. All right. Alrighty, boys and girls. Remember, wash your hands. All right, love you. Bye.